Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to Xbox Series X. First, make sure your headset has enough battery power before starting the pairing process. Now press and hold the power button on the headset until the LED indicator lights up, then turn on your Xbox Series X by pressing the power button on the console. Next, locate the pairing button on the Xbox Series X console. Press it once and the console's LED should begin flashing, indicating that the console is in pairing mode. Now locate the connect button on your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headset. Press and hold the connect button until the headset's power LED begins flashing rapidly. This means the headset is now in pairing mode and searching for the console. Keep both devices close together and wait a few seconds. Once the connection is established, the LEDs on both the headset and the console will stop flashing and remain solid. You should see a headset assign message appear on your Xbox screen, and you'll also hear a confirmation tone through the headset. This confirms that the headset has been successfully paired with your Xbox Series X. After that, it's a good idea to configure the audio settings for the best sound experience. From the Xbox home screen, press the Xbox button on your controller. Now navigate to Profile and System and select Settings. Then go to General. Next, select Volume and Audio Output. On the right side of the screen under Headset Audio, locate the Headset Format option. Here, change the setting to Windows Sonic for headphones. This enables virtual surround sound and can provide a more immersive audio experience while gaming. Once the setting has been applied, exit the menu and launch a game or media app to test the headset. Adjust the volume using the controls on the headset until you reach a comfortable listening level. If the headset doesn't connect on the first attempt, repeat the pairing process and make sure both the console and headset are fully powered on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.